In today's video, we're going to take a look at Visa, and I'm starting with a 15-minute chart here, and we're going to talk about time frames. So on this 15-minute chart, the general pattern is bullish, because there's been a bullish pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and at this point I would still be setting up pullbacks on this time frame to look for possible support. However, what if you're looking at a different time frame? So let's take a look at the daily chart in Visa, and let me show you a couple things here. The prior rally swings lasted 7 and 8 trading days. Okay, the current rally swing is 8 trading days, so it is similar to this and it's equal to this. As far as price resistance, now I have a prior rally swing that was $15.67. I have one that was $16.18. I kind of like that number. And then let me make sure that I'm labeling this correctly so we see where it's at here. So let's see, at 15, and then yeah, this swing low to high so far is 15.57. So if you're looking at the bigger picture, what you have to see is that this is an important resistance decision. So depending on the time frame that you're looking at for a trade setup, the daily chart is setting up a short, but the intraday chart we will actually be looking at setting up a buy on that time frame. These time frames do not match up at this point, okay? But that's one of the reasons why you have to decide, are you going to take a daily trade setup and wait for a signal against this resistance that tells you that it's worth a short, either against this 137, let's see, 27 to 85 area, or 140.02 to 56. All right, because if it's going to roll over, now is really the time that we want to anticipate that, because of the timing factors here, the price resistance that's being tested, and also I did run a histogram off of this last low. Kind of goes like this. Oh, it doesn't want to move for me right now, so I forgot about it. But I did run the histogram, and again, off of this low, it's giving me the 6th, 7th, plus or minus a day as far as timing for a possible high. So if you're long Visa, ratchet up your stops. If you want to look at a possible short in Visa against one of these two zones, wait for a trigger that tells you that it's worth placing a bet against the zone, and then define your risk above the zone. You always have to know when you're wrong the trade setup, okay? Because otherwise people think that, you're putting stuff out, and, 6 months later they say, yeah, but you're short here. It's like, duh, got stopped out, okay? Anyway, that's what I have.